What's up YouTube? So I'm getting ready to install all the knobs on this kitchen cabinets. So I'm gonna film the entire thing and then I'm gonna show you the jig that I use. Let me flip it around. So I got this, where is it? Okay, so I got this jig and I basically figure out where I want my knobs to be, and then I basically take this cheap, you can get it in a big box store, and I put tape because there's so many holes you don't want to accidentally drill at the wrong area. So I put a tape and then I punch out the hole where I want to be, and that allows me to see exactly where I'm always gonna drill. Because if there's, for me personally, if there's no tape, I can confuse or I have to double check every single time. So all I did, I just basically go ahead and mark where I want to drill, and then take my drill and just go all the way through, and then it will all line up the same at the same place all the time. So that's a little tip for you. That's how I do it to speed up my time, is to take this jig. Yes, it's cheap, inexpensive, but it works every time. And they have different, depends on your hardware, there's different kind, and also there's different jig. Let me know what's your recommend jig. This is mine. It's simple, it's cheap. Let me know what you guys, if you have something you recommend other than this. But anyways, just want to share that with you. I appreciate it. All right, so I stopped for a minute. So it looks like I mess up. And this one, the height is a little bit, well, it's about 1/4 inch different. But it's the same hole line up. But the spacing between these hinges are different. See that? So I think at the store I may have grabbed a bunch, or maybe one that's a little bit closer in size. Sorry, move out so you can, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, let me take this off. Do that with one hand. Make sure you tighten it up. Tighty lefty loosey. Hold on, guys. You can see, I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's the space like an inch different apart. So I need to find one that's matched with this and make sure they're all the same. If not, I have to go back to the store and get a whole bunch just like this. So anyways, just to let you heads up, make sure the spacing between are all the same. So